In this video today, I'm going to share with you 7 different ways you can earn free coins on Poppo. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll also announce to you a winner from our previous video where I asked you to comment. I know I did not tell you that there's a giveaway, but for those that comment, just wait till the end of this video. In case you are new and you don't know, Poppo is a new platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. And I don't want to bore you with all that. In the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop a link to sign up and a link to join my Telegram and join my agency, because you actually need an invite and you need to be part of agency so that you can thrive and succeed on Poppo. Hello, you are welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Give this video a thumbs up. It's going to mean a lot to me and it's going to help the algorithm. And click on the notification to make sure you will be receiving a notification whenever I put a new video. The first way you can earn free coins on Poppo is treasure box. And I know some people will be like, are you kidding me? Yes, I'm not kidding you, because I've seen someone that come on Poppo from treasure box. The person has earned up to 1 million coins, which is equivalent to $100. How did it work? What really happened is this. So in case if you are new, once you join the Poppo, at the top of either you join a party or you join a live stream, you are going to see a treasure box above and there will be countdown. Once the countdown is up to 0, click on it and you are going to see free coins. Some mostly is 40 coins. So that is what she did. What she now did was like she collected like 3 times, which is 120 coins. She now used it to play Lucky Star game, of course. If you don't know how to play that game, in the description of this video I'm going to drop the link to the video on how to play different games on Poppo. So she played Lucky Star game and then she won. She multiplied it to 300. She used the 300 to gamble on people in the party and she won. And she won 890 something coins with that 300 coins. From there she joined a FireWork and she earned 200 plus extra coins, which is making 1000 plus extra coins that she won for free. She now used it. She now used 1000 naira and play Lucky Wheels and she won 1 million coins. So yes, you might not have any money to buy coins from the start. There are different ways you can actually earn free coins on Poppo. So don't neglect that treasure box that you used to see up there as you are joining a party, you are doing your tax, or you join your friends live stream. The second way you can earn free coins on Poppo is through FireWorks, and I don't want to talk too much about that. I've made a video on FireWorks. The reason why a lot of you will be in there and you say you are not getting coins is because you are not doing it rightly. So I'm going to drop the link to that video in the description of this video and in the comment section on how you can play FireWorks, how you can join FireWorks, and how to ensure that you always get, because I am a living witness. I have there was a day I picked that day to just join from FireWorks to another and I earned up to 8,000 coins. All right, the third place or the third way you can earn free coins on Poppo is through gambling. Yes, as you see people, you gamble on them and you will win most of the times. And when you are gambling on Poppo, you gamble with lucky games. You are like lucky coins. You use lucky, don't use gift, just as I'm showing you right here. So when you want to gamble on people, you only click on lucky, don't click on gift. Click on lucky. So when you click on lucky, you select the amount of people you want to gamble with. Okay, and I have done a detailed video on gambling. If you want to learn how to gamble and win, kindly comment gamble on Poppo, gamble and win on Poppo. If you comment that, I'll just give you the link to that video so that you watch it to know. So I recently learned a new trick about gambling and winning. Like when you want to gamble, if you join a party, the seat you will be seeing above, sometimes you will just see a particular gift that is in the lucky gift appearing in that seat. So all you need to do is gamble on people with that particular gift and your chances of winning will be very, very very high. I cannot take all this myself. I have to say thank you so much to eBeauty for sharing this particular trip with us in the agency. Okay, the fourth way you can earn free coins on Poppo is through game. Yes, you will be wondering, can I get free coins from playing game? Yes, you can earn from game. Imagine collecting 40 coins from treasure box, and when you play the lucky star, lucky number, okay, golden flower, you can actually play with only 10 coins. Okay, you can use that to play and learn. All the games I'm mentioning, I've done videos on that, so you can also earn them. Another way is by sitting in a party. Okay, by sitting in a seat. You don't have to be on a crown seat, just sit in a seat, and as people gamble on you, you'll be getting coins, and those free coins you are getting is adding to your point. It's automatically converted to your points, and once it's in your point, it will be added to your withdrawable amount of money. And mind you, in case you don't know, you can actually withdraw the money to your local currency or to USDT. Okay, the sixth way you can get free coins on Poppo is through chatting and receiving phone calls. That's why I need to tell the ladies in my agency, I'm like, look good, look good. There are some people that will just call you as you are on Poppo, and you earn coins. You earn coins for free. It's called P coin, and that P coin will be added to the amount of your withdrawable amount. It will be converted and then added to what you can withdraw at the end of the day, and that is your money. That is another way you can earn for free on Poppo. All right, the seventh way is being nice. Like, being nice. Like, I've seen people that for being nice, they come and gift me. For watching my content, they come and gift me. Sometimes I'll be in a panel. I'm not the one that started the party. By the time somebody asks question, and I will just come and answer. Or maybe two people are just having a little misunderstanding or something, and I would come up and talk just for being nice. I've seen people that reward me amazingly on Poppo. Honestly, they will come and gift me, and then that is mine. You need to be nice. Let's have empathy for humanity. That is my seventh tip. Okay, be nice to people. Everybody wants to feel important. Okay, be nice to people. If at this point you have not liked this video, haba please like this video. If you have question, ask in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much, and I know some of you are staying here, you're waiting, so I will say congratulations to, let me click on it. Oh, I just spin it right now. Ibrahim Memuna. Okay, Ibrahim Memuna, thank you so much. So here is my Poppo ID. Go DM me, send me message, tell me you are Ibrahim Memuna, and I will confirm it. Then I will send you your free 15,000 coins. So if you want to be in the next draw of people that I'm going to be gifting 3 people on Poppo, is just comment "make money with Poppo." Okay, comment "make money with Poppo" in the comment section. So I'm going to just, there's a software that I used to use. When you just click on a particular comment, it's going to spin and it will pick a winner. So that's what we are going to do. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.